When we talk about attraction, most people immediately jump to looks or material possessions. Yet the truth lies far deeper. Women are wired to notice subtleties, to sense energy, and to respond to cues that are often invisible to the casual observer. There are hidden moves, unspoken actions that, when mastered, make you magnetic in ways that seem almost effortless. Today, we will uncover 5 such moves that women secretly love. The first hidden move is subtle confidence. This isn't about loud declarations or flashy gestures. Women are drawn to men who carry an inner certainty, someone who is comfortable in his own skin. It's in the way you hold your posture, the way you engage in a conversation without overcompensating. Subtle confidence sends a signal that you are capable, grounded, and secure. A man who embodies this quietly yet consistently is hard to ignore. The second move is mystery. Predictability kills intrigue. Women are naturally drawn to those who reveal themselves gradually. By sharing parts of yourself slowly, maintaining layers of depth, and leaving room for curiosity, you create an aura of fascination. It's not about playing games, it's about letting her discover your world piece by piece. Mystery keeps her mind engaged, building anticipation and emotional investment. The third hidden move is emotional synchrony. Women respond to men who can subtly mirror their emotions. This doesn't mean you become someone else's echo. Rather, it is the skill of recognizing her feelings and reflecting them naturally. A shared laugh, a gentle nod, or an empathetic response creates a connection that goes beyond words. When she feels understood, she feels safe, and safety is one of the strongest attractors. Fourth, we have micro actions that speak volumes. Tiny gestures can have massive impact. A brief, sincere compliment, a meaningful look, or a considerate act shows attentiveness and thoughtfulness. Women notice the details you might consider insignificant. These micro actions demonstrate care without overdoing it, creating a sense of value and respect. The key is consistency. Small, repeated actions resonate louder than grand gestures done once. The fifth move is selective attention and scarcity. Humans naturally assign value to what is not easily attainable. When you maintain your own life, pursue your passions, and do not constantly seek validation, you create an irresistible pull. This is not manipulation, it's about being fully engaged with your life while allowing her to engage with it meaningfully. Scarcity amplifies desire because presence paired with independence becomes magnetic. Attraction is often misunderstood. Many people believe it is solely about appearance, wealth, or charm. In reality, women are highly attuned to subtleties, the invisible cues that reveal character, energy, and intention. These subtle moves, when understood and applied, make a man not just appealing, but genuinely irresistible. Women don't consciously list these traits, yet they respond to them naturally. These are the hidden moves that work silently, but powerfully, shaping connection, desire, and respect. The first hidden move is subtle confidence. This form of confidence is quiet but firm, not loud or boastful. It is reflected in posture, tone of voice, and the way you interact without overcompensating. A man who exudes this energy does not need to demand attention, it comes to him naturally. Women instinctively sense security, stability, and self-assurance, and they are drawn to it. Subtle confidence creates comfort while simultaneously inspiring admiration, forming the first layer of attraction that is deeper than surface level charm. It's about being grounded, owning your space, and showing that you are comfortable in your own skin. The second move is the art of mystery. Predictability kills fascination, while gradual revelation builds intrigue. Women are naturally curious and respond to layered personalities that unfold over time. This isn't about playing games or being dishonest. It is about pacing the discovery of who you are, giving her space to explore your world piece by piece. Leaving hints rather than full disclosure creates a magnetic pull, encouraging her mind to engage, imagine, and anticipate your next move. Mystery fosters anticipation, which in turn builds emotional attachment. The depth and complexity you reveal slowly signals that you are multi-dimensional, which is far more compelling than immediate, full transparency. Emotional synchrony is the third hidden move. Women respond to men who can naturally align with their emotional state. This is not mimicry, nor is it insincere flattery. It is the ability to observe, understand, and reflect her feelings in subtle ways. A shared laugh at the right moment, a gentle nod during conversation, or a compassionate acknowledgement of her struggles creates a sense of being understood. Emotional synchrony cultivates connection because it communicates empathy and attentiveness. Women are drawn to those who make them feel seen and heard without needing to be explicitly asked. This silent alignment strengthens trust and fosters deeper emotional bonds. Micro-actions that speak volumes form the fourth move. Women notice the details that often go unseen. A fleeting glance that shows appreciation, a considerate gesture, or a thoughtful word can leave a lasting impression. Small, consistent actions accumulate to create a sense of value and attention. These micro-actions are powerful because they demonstrate care and awareness without appearing forced or artificial. Grand gestures are fleeting, small. Repeated actions build a foundation of trust, respect, and attraction. The ability to communicate thoughtfulness without words becomes an understated but potent magnet. The fifth hidden move is selective attention and the strategic use of scarcity. Presence is valuable, but over-availability can dilute it. Women are attracted to men who have a life of their own, who pursue passions, set boundaries, and live fully without constantly seeking validation. This creates a natural tension between accessibility and independence. Scarcity in this context is not manipulation, but a reflection of a man's self-respect and personal fulfillment. When a woman experiences a man's presence alongside his independence, she is drawn into a dynamic that feels exciting and engaging. The balance of attention and availability makes interactions more memorable and desire more intense. Underlying all of these moves is the principle of balancing challenge and comfort. Women are instinctively drawn to energy that is both stimulating and safe. Challenge creates curiosity, admiration, and respect, while comfort provides trust and emotional security. A man who can navigate between these energies creates a magnetic presence. The interplay of excitement and reassurance keeps interactions alive and compelling. Women feel drawn to men who can engage them intellectually, emotionally, and energetically while offering a sense of stability and reliability. The tension between these two forces fuels attraction in a deep and lasting way. These 5 hidden moves, subtle confidence, mystery, emotional synchrony, micro-actions, and selective attention, are not superficial tricks. They are expressions of presence, awareness, and personal mastery. When cultivated, they naturally elevate a man's attractiveness, not through force or artificiality, but through authenticity. Women are keen observers of energy, and they respond most strongly to those who demonstrate depth, awareness, and consistency. Learning to embody these moves requires practice, patience, and genuine intention, but the results are profound. It is essential to recognize that these moves are not about manipulation. They are about understanding human psychology, particularly female psychology, and using this understanding to communicate value, respect, and connection. Attraction is not created through pressure, coercion, or superficial charm. It arises from alignment between energy, intention, and action. Men who master these subtle skills move from being one of many to someone unforgettable. Someone whose presence resonates long after a conversation ends. The power of these hidden moves lies in their subtlety. They operate beneath conscious awareness yet exert a strong influence on perception and emotional response. By developing self-assured energy, cultivating intrigue, aligning with emotions, attending to details, and balancing presence with independence, a man becomes irresistibly magnetic. The combination of these traits creates depth, excitement, and connection. Women are drawn not only to what they see, but to how they feel in a man's presence. These 5 hidden moves amplify that feeling and transform ordinary interactions into experiences of genuine attraction. The journey to mastering these skills is a path of self-awareness and personal growth. As one hones subtle confidence, practices emotional alignment, and cultivates presence, the natural result is increased attraction. Women respond instinctively to authenticity, consistency, and depth. In essence, the mastery of these moves is mastery of oneself. By becoming fully present, emotionally intelligent, and aware of the impact of one's actions, a man becomes more than just appealing. He becomes unforgettable, magnetic, and genuinely irresistible. Attraction is far more complex than appearances or surface-level charm. Women are wired to notice subtleties, to sense energy, and to feel emotional alignment. There are hidden moves, subtle strategies that create magnetic appeal without appearing forced. These are not tricks or manipulations. They are expressions of presence, awareness, and emotional intelligence. Understanding and applying them transforms how you are perceived, creating a deep and lasting attraction that goes beyond the superficial. The first key move is subtle confidence. This form of confidence is not loud or showy. It is understated yet unwavering. Women are drawn to men who carry themselves with certainty, who are comfortable in their own skin, and do not need to overcompensate to be noticed. Subtle confidence can be expressed in posture, tone of voice, and the way you interact without seeking validation. It signals stability, self-assurance, and inner security. A man who exudes this energy naturally commands attention, not through force, but through the quiet authority of being grounded. Women sense this energy immediately and respond instinctively, often without even realizing why. The second move is the art of mystery. Fascination is created through gradual revelation. When a man shares himself in layers, allowing a woman to discover him slowly, curiosity is naturally engaged. This is not deception or gamesmanship. It is pacing the revelation of your personality and experiences. By leaving room for curiosity, you stimulate her imagination and keep her attention focused on you. Mystery encourages emotional investment because women instinctively seek to understand depth and complexity. The anticipation that builds from not knowing everything at once creates attraction that is both intellectual and emotional. The third move is emotional synchrony, the ability to align subtly with her emotional state. Women notice when someone is present and attuned to their feelings. This is not mimicry but natural reflection, responding with empathy, understanding, and shared energy. A shared laugh, an understanding glance, or a moment of genuine acknowledgement communicates that you see and appreciate her inner world. Emotional synchrony builds trust and connection because it demonstrates emotional intelligence. Women are naturally drawn to men who make them feel understood and emotionally safe, and this alignment fosters both attraction and comfort. Micro actions form the fourth move, and these often have the most powerful effect. Small gestures like a thoughtful compliment, a meaningful look, or an act of attentiveness speak volumes without words. Women are highly perceptive to these subtle signals, noticing thoughtfulness and care even when they seem minor. Repeated, consistent micro actions demonstrate attention, consideration, and reliability, all qualities that create emotional magnetism. Unlike grand gestures that fade quickly, micro actions accumulate over time, building trust, emotional attachment, and admiration. These small behaviors often make the difference between fleeting interest and lasting attraction. The fifth move is the strategic use of selective attention and scarcity. Presence becomes more valuable when it is paired with independence. Women are attracted to men who live full lives, pursue their passions, and do not rely solely on external validation. By maintaining boundaries, having your own goals, and engaging selectively, you create natural tension that heightens desire. This scarcity is not about playing games. It is about self-respect and demonstrating that your time and attention are meaningful. Women respond strongly to men who have depth, independence, and focus. It amplifies attraction because it signals that your presence is special and worth investing in. Another essential aspect is balancing challenge and comfort. Women are drawn to energy that is simultaneously exciting and safe. Challenge stimulates curiosity, admiration, and intrigue, while comfort fosters trust and emotional security. The dynamic interplay between these two energies creates a magnetic presence. When a man can inspire excitement while also offering reliability, interactions become emotionally rich and engaging. Women feel both stimulated and grounded, which is a rare and highly attractive combination. Understanding this balance is key to creating a lasting impression and maintaining ongoing attraction.